If you're trying to download files on Telegram and cannot find the download location on your iPhone, don't worry. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check iPhone storage. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General. Now tap iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough free space. Low storage can prevent Telegram from saving downloads. Solution 2. Allow background app refresh. Go to iPhone settings, then tap General. Scroll down and tap background app refresh. Turn it on for Telegram. Solution 3. Use the Save to Files option. Tap the file in the chat to open it, or tap the download arrow first. Tap the video and select Save to Files. This manually sets the download location. Solution 4. Check Files app. Open the Files app on your iPhone, then tap Browse. Now tap on My Phone. Now tap on My iPhone. Look for the Telegram folder. If it does not exist, Telegram will create it automatically after a successful download. Solution 5. Update Telegram app. Open the App Store, search for Telegram, and install any available updates. Updates often fix download-related bugs. Unlike Android, iPhone does not allow changing the default download folder. Globally. Files must be accessed through the Files app or saved manually. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.